Good afternoon, YouTubers. I just found the easiest way to remove an axle seal. And for those who don't know, there's actual tools that they sell in AutoZone and other places. But the easiest way to remove a axle seal is with this pry bar, and I will show you right now. Oh, what do we got here? You trying to help me? You trying to help me with the axle seal? Huh? Come here. You trying to help me with the axle seal? Yeah, that's Nova. Alright, so what you gotta do is put it right here where the rubber of the seal is, and just hit it with your hand. Careful you don't go too far back, because if you catch it on the tranny, on the edge of the transmission, you are going to need a new part, because you will break it and it will not seal. So you put it in between and just hit it. That comes out the first part, and then now you'll get a better view on the back of the axle seal. That way you don't get snug on the part of the transmission. So hit it, go up, just like that. And to install it, it's just as easy. Here's a seal. Okay. All I use is this little tool I have over here. It's used to take out wheel bearings. Press out wheel bearings, but if you see, it just goes right, it goes over the seal and on the edge right there. All you gotta do is coat it with a little bit of oil first. So coat the backside with a little bit of oil first. Give it a light tap. Make sure this is clean. Keep working it. The bottom side. And this side a little bit. Bottom. There we go. And there it is. That's how you do it. Easy as pie.